Bacolod City, known as the City of Smiles, faces a recurring challenge: flooding. The city's flat terrain and its location near rivers make it susceptible to heavy rainfall and overflowing waterways. These floods bring hardship to the people of Bacolod. Businesses are forced to close, homes are damaged, and transportation is disrupted. The impact on daily life is significant, highlighting the urgent need for effective flood control measures. The local government, recognizing the severity of the issue, has been actively seeking solutions to mitigate the impacts of flooding and ensure the safety and well-being of its residents. In response to the recurring flooding, the Department of Public Works and Highways, DPWH, has allocated a substantial budget of 1 billion pesos for flood control projects in Bacolod City. This considerable investment underscores the government's commitment to addressing this pressing issue and building a more resilient city. The funds are allocated to various projects aimed at improving the city's drainage systems, reinforcing riverbanks, and implementing innovative flood control measures. The DPWH plays a crucial role in overseeing the implementation of these projects, ensuring their timely completion and adherence to quality standards. This investment signifies a vital step towards mitigating the impacts of flooding and creating a safer environment for the people of Bacolod. Central to Bacolod City's flood control strategy is the Flood Control and Drainage Master Plan. This comprehensive plan outlines a strategic approach to addressing the city's flooding vulnerabilities. The plan includes a range of projects designed to improve drainage systems, enhance river capacity, and implement flood mitigation measures. With a substantial portion of the 1 billion peso budget allocated to its implementation, the master plan represents a long-term vision for a flood-resilient Bacolod city. It encompasses both structural and non-structural measures, focusing on both immediate needs and long-term solutions to effectively manage flood risks and protect the city. Section 4. Reinforcing the city's defences, riverbank revetments. A key component of the Flood Control and Drainage Master Plan is the construction of riverbank revetments along major waterways in Bacolod City. These revetments are designed to stabilize riverbanks, preventing erosion and mitigating the risk of overflowing. The construction of these protective structures has a direct and positive impact on local communities residing near rivers. By reducing the risk of flooding, the revetments provide residents with a sense of security and safeguard their homes and livelihoods from the damaging effects of floodwaters. The strengthened riverbanks contribute to the overall resilience of the city's infrastructure and provide a more secure environment for its residents. Section 5. Floodgates, a collaborative effort for flood mitigation. Bacolod City, in partnership with the Japan International Cooperation Agency, or JICA, is exploring the implementation of floodgates as part of its comprehensive flood control strategy. These floodgates, strategically positioned at key points along rivers, would regulate water flow and help prevent flooding in vulnerable areas. The proposed floodgates represent a significant investment in innovative flood control technology and highlight the city's commitment to seeking sustainable solutions. The collaboration with JICA demonstrates the importance of international partnerships in addressing complex challenges like flood management and underscores the global effort to build more resilient cities. This project, once implemented, will significantly enhance Bacolod City's capacity to manage flood risks and protect its residents. Section 6. Assessing the impact. Are these measures enough? The billion peso investment in flood control projects represents a significant step towards mitigating the impacts of flooding in Bacolod City. From the comprehensive flood control and drainage master plan to the construction of riverbank revetments and the proposed floodgates, these measures demonstrate a proactive approach to building a more resilient city. The impact of these projects extends beyond infrastructure, bringing a sense of security to communities vulnerable to flooding. However, the question remains, are these efforts enough? As climate change continues to bring more unpredictable weather patterns, the challenges of flood management will likely intensify. Bacolod City, like many other urban centers, must remain vigilant in its efforts to adapt and implement sustainable solutions. This requires ongoing assessment, community engagement, and a commitment to continuous improvement in flood control strategies. The journey towards a truly flood-resilient Bacolod City is an ongoing one. requiring collaboration, innovation, and a shared vision for a safer and more secure future. Despite the challenges, the city's commitment to overcoming these obstacles brings hope for a more resilient future.